Hi, welcome to this new vlog. This is a Gitzo tripod, a Super Studex, very sturdy, very high, you can see, 2 meters tall. This is extended 2 legs and it's pretty high. I always was intrigued why a Gitzo tripod performs 2 holes for holding 2 screws when we usually attach a camera with 1 screw only. And today I know the reason why. Because today I've become owner of a 1930 camera, the Narita 18 by 24. Look how it works. Under the Narita we have 2 holes for the screws and they fit perfectly with the screws which are on the head of every big Gitzo tripod. 1 and 2. So here we are. The camera is attached with 2 screws and it doesn't rotate. Here we are.